Hey guys, welcome back to Amelia's World. And today, oh my god, my hair is so messy. I'm gonna redo it right now. But today we're gonna open up Preppy stickers because I ordered Preppy stickers for Christmas. I got $50 for Christmas and I got these stickers. So yeah, we're gonna be opening it up and I'm gonna show you guys like what I got. But first, I need to do my hair because I don't want to look at this in the video. Okay, I got the first part like done. Now I just need to do this part. Okay, I'm done. I like my hair. It's so curly. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna get on with the stickers right now. And no, it's not nighttime. It is morning, and it's 12:17 p.m. So yeah. By the time I end this video, it's probably gonna be like 1. But yeah, let's get on with the stickers. Okay, so the first one that I see, I saw this one online. I got this from Amazon. A reverse card, like a Preppy reverse card. These stickers are all Preppy, so yeah, if you don't like Preppy, you don't have to watch this, but a reverse card. Got this little smiley face. I have a white screen on right now, so yeah, that's why it's a little bright. Oh my god, I know what these are. Like the little toys at Target. I got a little planet. Nice. I might put these on my wall. I got... Yes, I love this one. I don't know what they're called though. Like thunder strikes? I don't know. This. And like an evil eye, a heart, and then... Oh, I love you. Oh, I get it. A queen. A little crown. This star. Yeah, this little star. OMG. I love this. This looks so nice. Like a tongue with silver. Oh my! AirPods. AirPods. Yeah. A moon. It's so like, I have to do this because literally a white screen is in front of me, so it makes it a little bit brighter. No way. A cow, a hat. That's so preppy. So cool. Oh my god. I love this. A little dinosaur with, I don't know what they're called. I don't know what they're called. But yeah. Y'all. I think this is a 50 pack. You can get it from Amazon. You just have to search like Preppy stickers. And then I do think you might find them. Be kind. Yeah, guys, always be kind. Kate. I don't know what this is. Okay, oh my god, heart glasses. What's that 9? Oh, yeah, the little thing. Okay. OMG. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. A bike. A pink bike. What is this? I don't know if these are candies. I don't know if those are candies. You are golden. So nice. Be love, be love, be love. Stop it. Oh, I thought they drew on this. It says shop. And then instead of the stop, it's shop. I kind of don't like this one because like they have to do a marker. Marker. A bomb. It's kind of not preppy. Dangerous. Yeah, I got my nails done. They look weird because I have short nails. Lip balm. I love this one. OMG. Hat. The hat's cowboy hat. I'm gonna just literally take them all out of the thing. Okay. Next one we have a rainbow. I won't say that's preppy. I will not say that. Preppy. Okay, one second, guys, because these all just fell out of my hand. So, yeah, one second. Let me organize this. Okay, I'm done organizing. The next one we have is this water bottle that says, go drink some water. Yeah, guys, go drink some water. Go get your water and then come back. The next one we have is a butterfly. That's so nice. A little cute butterfly. I just love tapping stuff now. Like, it's so my thing. Okay, my next one is a little crown. Photoshop this. Not Photoshop, like, screenshot it. Okay. You're golden. You are golden. You're so nice. Oh, so nice. A little tiger with stars on it. Stop it. OMG. 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 This is so nice. I wouldn't say it's preppy, but like, it says the preppy dog. Stop it. Stop it. That is so nice. Look. I don't know if you guys can see it, but stop. That's so nice. No. Bro, my hair's gonna get all puffy. Stop it. I love this. I only speak preppy. Guys, go get these stickers. There's like 50 of them. I only speak preppy. That's true. I only speak preppy. Over it. Over it. I just love tapping now. Like, it's like my favorite thing. Over it. Now these get more preppy. Oh, I have this one. I have this one. I'm gonna go show you guys. It's on my water bottle. Okay, I'm back. So this is like my preppy water bottle. Look at the picture of the dog. Okay, yeah, I'm getting too distracted, but yeah. The American flag. Oh my god, it looks so weird. Stop it. I love this. This is why I wanted to be preppy. Cause like, I like pink. I like all that stuff like that. So yeah, that's why I wanted to be preppy. I don't know if I saw it on something, but yeah, I just wanted to become it. So nice. Okay, now this says shop, shop, shop with a $sign. So nice. What does this say? Happy place. But why does it have to be spelled like this? I don't like stuff that like are spelled like this. Like it says that and then happy place. I don't really like this one. It's not my type. I don't think I'm a gob. I don't know. I'm not going to pronounce this right, but I know I'm not pronouncing it right. Love, love, love. I want to do an ASMR, like ASMR video, but like preppies don't do that. Okay. Should I even say this? No, I'm not going to say it, but it's not a bad word, but like WAP. WAP. I just said it. I am not going to be putting this on my wall. That's so nice. It's like the other one. It's like this one. Whoa, 1 second. It's like this one. Aww. A little heart. That looks nice. A star. I like this one. Should I put some music on my TV? Yeah, I think I'm gonna put music. Oh my, I did not mean to do that. But I'm gonna put music on real quick. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we have this little bow. Like, what's it called? I listen to this, but like, my personality is preppy, but my music is not preppy. Like, it's just sped up TikTok audios. That's the only thing I like to like listen to. So yeah. I like this one. This is nice. XOXO. These are my top 3. I mean, my last 3. Bro, please. Help, this is so cute. I love this one. It's a cheetah or a leopard. I don't know what it's called. Oh my god, another one. I think the other one was yellow. I think so. But yeah. I like this one. And then I got this little glasses. It's my last one. So these are all of them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being in this vlog. Oh. Thank you so much for being in the end of this video. It's so much supportive. It's so much supportive to me. So thank you so much. And if you want to get these stickers, you can get them from Amazon. They will have these. You just have to search up Preppy stickers. PREPPY STICKERS. I don't know if I spelled that right, but yeah. You could just search up Preppy stickers and then you'll get them. I got them today. I also got a new bed sheets. I got that yesterday. I got candy yesterday because I used my $50. My mom gave me $50. So yeah, I might do a TikTok short, a YouTube short, and like show you guys all my stickers if you don't like to watch my videos, or like I'll put them on my wall. Like that's probably gonna be in my shorts. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and so you know that you know when I ever post a video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.